Learning a little bit today about the vitamins and nutrients found in chicken and why they're good for you. Gina Sunderland is a registered dietitian joining me from Manitoba Chicken, and I didn't even know all the great things that would be found in chicken. I mean, some of them I knew, but let's share with everybody what some of the benefits are.
Okay, well, we know that chicken is a super source of protein, but it's also high in some other key nutrients that really benefit your health. So protein is important for tissue healing and repair, building and maintaining muscles. It's even important for a healthy immune system. Something great about chicken and other animal proteins is that they have all of the amino acids in them that we need for health.
Okay.
Yeah.
I knew about the protein.
Right?
And I kind of knew about the iron, but you were telling me something different about the dark meat.
Yes, so dark chicken meat actually has more iron than the white meat. So if you're trying to increase the iron in your red blood cells, opt for some dark chicken meat. And the iron in chicken is absorbed very easily. It's called heme iron, and there's other great sources of iron that I've shown here as well.
Okay, now that's pretty much where my knowledge ended. Share with us the other benefits here.
All right, well, we're looking at vitamin B12, very important for healthy red blood cells. It protects us from a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia, so we can feel really tired if we don't get enough B12. B12 is only found in animal products, so things like dairy products, fish, meat like chicken.
Okay, and zinc, I had no idea.
Yeah, chicken is loaded with nutrients, and one of the key nutrients it's high in is zinc. So zinc is really important for a healthy immune system. It's important for tissue healing and repair, and if we don't have enough zinc, it can affect our sense of taste and smell.
That is so interesting.
Yeah.
And obviously, since it does so much good for us, we want to get a lot of it into our diets. You've got a great recipe to share.
I have a delicious recipe. This is our brand new chicken and lentil salad recipe, and it incorporates a lot of these great key nutrients that are so good for our health.
Okay.
So I'm going to get you to start out by making this delicious dressing. It's half a cup of olive oil, so nice healthy oil, and then about a third of a cup of either a white wine vinegar or a cider vinegar. I'll get you to start whisking in a moment. We've got a little bit of Dijon mustard, just half a teaspoon, about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a little bit of sweetness from a tablespoon of local maple syrup, and
goodness, all the flavors.
Yes, and a couple cloves of garlic.
Love that. Okay, so I'll get this going.
All right.
And what have we got happening over here?
Okay, so this recipe is great. You take 2.5 cups of dried green lentils. Cook them in chicken stock. They cook so quickly, Terry, about 12 to 15 minutes. You don't want to overcook them so they hold their shape. A delicious source of plant protein, also locally grown, are lentils.
So the dressing goes right over the lentils?
Dressing goes right over the lentils. So something lovely about Manitoba Chicken is that we have access to local chicken 12 months of the year, because we have 122 family-owned farms, and they produce enough chicken. So when we go to our grocery stores and we go to the fresh meat counter, we are getting delicious local chicken. So I'm going to have you add 3 cups of cooked chopped chicken. On the weekend, I love to roast up a big pan of chicken, and then I can use it in things like salads and wraps and sandwiches. And it's also a great recipe to use up leftover chicken, Terry.
Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, quickly, I'm going to throw in some green onion, chopped chives.
Yeah, delicious.
Walnuts.
Yeah, another great source of plant protein and healthy fats.
There we go.
Then we've got some fresh parsley.
Oh my goodness. Of course, you'll find this recipe on the website.
On manitobachicken.ca.
Looks delicious. Can't wait to dive in. Thanks, Gina.
It is delicious. Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.